Okay, in this video we're going to do some sorcery. We're going to take the buttons and we're going to drop them down here. You could also take your text views and we can put them anywhere we want at this point after doing this. So what I'm going to do is inside of my, this is fragmentmain.xml, I've gone in and where the panel view is, I've added a line that says Android layout weight 0.70. And what that means is this particular view within our layout is going to take up 70% of the screen. Okay, so our panel where we're drawing, you can see my cards have moved up, and this is about 70% of the screen. This is about the bottom. You can see the cards are not in the same location. So the panel is now drawing here, and no drawing is taking place down here, giving us some room to work. Well, what I've done is I've gone to the bottom here and I've created a relative layout that is within our frame layout. Okay, and I've taken my image buttons, all right, and I've dragged them or cut and pasted them into the relative layout. I'm going to do it with the text views right now just to show you. So I'm going to hit X for the text views, okay, and I'm going to do Control V, and that will put it in the relative layout. So if I save this now, I've got my text views, which are going to be here. Well, you can't see them because I don't have anything to drag around right now, so I'm going to put them back because I can't see them, and that's fine. All I'd have to do is have Android text or something and I could see them. But by taking these image buttons and just basically dropping them into the relative layout down here, now I have the ability to drag them around. See, I can take it and put that button anywhere instead of having my options are really limited within a frame layout, okay? But this works because, all right, we've got a frame layout, which is like stacking sheets of paper on top of one another, right? If you have an element, a second element, a third element, the third element's on top. So we have our panel on the bottom, we have a text view and then another text view, and then our fourth element, our top element, is a relative layout that we can drag things around on. Makes sense, right? Okay, so go ahead and get your application looking like this, and your buttons all still work. And in the next video, I think we're going to implement a bedding text view and a bedding slider.